This is Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk International. Today's date is March the 17th, and we are here to announce a new development with regard to our RSK tick strategy trading system. The chart that you see on the screen is the euro. We are now developing our strategy so that it can work on the EC data feed. Our group reversal system will work on the euro, and we're just going to show you a few simple things that we're able to plot regarding the euro, and I'm sure you'll begin to see that this concept of our group reversal system, which if you're not too familiar with, we invite you to take a look at our website at RSKsys.com and learn about our group reversal system and some of the other interesting things that we're doing. But let's first of all take a look at this chart. By the way, all times on the chart are Central Standard Time. This is a 50 share bar chart. Now you can run this on a tick bar. Really won't make any difference in terms of the group reversals. But we use the share bar approach for the purpose of tracking gaps. Let's first of all talk about these gaps. I'm going to scan back to, we'll just take it back to the 6 o'clock time frame on the 16th, which is yesterday. And you'll notice the formation of a gap here. We'll go forward until that gap is filled. And you'll notice that as we take it all the way out, that gap still exists. So we know where the gap started, but that gap is still open. Let's take a look at another gap. This gap right here, which forms at 1313 on the 16th. Now watch what happens on this gap fill. This is just absolutely amazing. Again, keep in mind the time. 1313 on the 16th. This gap gets filled right here. Right to the exact pip. Let me expand that so you can see it. Notice it gets filled right here. And what happens? That price is once again tested here, and then the market rallies. Amazing. Here's another interesting gap fill. Market moved up, came back down, filled that gap, so that was predictable. Here's a high gap. It gets filled, market reverses briefly. And then we have this gap here as a target, at least, for the move down. Gaps are always filled. Now, let's take a look at our group reversal system. I'll expand this out just a bit. Alright, now we weren't plotting the group reversals prior to this time frame, so that's why you don't see anything on the chart right here. But the market is pretty volatile from around 11:15 for about the next 30 minutes, and we don't see any high reversals on this chart. But you'll notice right in here we have a nice reversal. Again, here a reversal, and then here again another reversal. These reversals indicate an opportunity to take a long trade. So whether you're getting in here, or in here, or in here, for all practical purposes, you're getting in at about the same price. Now, the market rallies up, leaves that gap. We don't have any reversals, at least not on this chart, at the top of this move. But about 4 pips below, right in here, now we get a reversal. And again, that price is tested here, and a real nice reversal takes place here, going from yellow to gold back to magenta. Magenta is a weaker color than yellow. And down the market goes, and we don't get a positive color, a reversal in other words, to go long until right in here. Keeping in mind that when reversals happen toward the top of a move, that does not indicate a time to go long. When we are looking for a pivot to go long, we want to be within 3 pips of the low of the move. And you get it right in here. Now the same idea would apply here. We're actually 4 pips away from this top, but we're right on the money on this reversal. Right there. So that's a beautiful opportunity to take a short trade. And that's a big move, by the way. That's a real big move. Okay. And no reversals there. So right down to that's right around 37.35 is the reversal. Here it's taking place 37.75 roughly speaking. So wow, what a big move, and nicely demonstrated with the group reversal system. We have our indicator that shows group reversals, and we have strategies that will automatically pull these trades based upon the market conditions that are set up in the strategy. We would invite you to come and take a demo of our system. Now we trade the SPOs primarily, the ES contract, but we've just recently begun to model our group reversal system for the euro, and thus far it's looking very, very promising. So if you'd like to come and see a demo, or at least ask some questions about our system and what we're doing, feel free to do so. Contact us via our website at RSKsys.com. This is Spooman for Risk.